Welcome to our channel. Today we're embarking on a journey to the fiery heart of our planet, a realm of immense power and spectacular beauty. Volcanoes, those colossal vents in the Earth's crust, have captivated humankind for millennia, inspiring both awe and terror. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of volcanoes, uncovering 10 weird and wonderful facts that will absolutely blow your mind. Let's get started. Deep in the heart of Indonesia, on the island of Java, lies the Kawah Ijen volcano. Here, amidst the sulfuric fumes and volcanic rock, a spectacle unlike any other unfolds. As darkness descends, an ethereal blue glow emanates from the crater. This is no lava flow, but burning sulfur gases ignited by the intense heat. The gases, reaching temperatures of over 600 degrees Fahrenheit, burn with a vibrant blue flame. This blue fire is a mesmerizing display of chemical combustion. The sulfur transforms this fiery inferno into a scene from a science fiction film. Imagine standing on the rim, the air thick with sulfur, as the blue flames dance. It's a scene of both beauty and danger. The Kawah Ijen volcano stands as a testament to the wonder of our planet's volcanic landscapes. It's a place where science and spectacle collide. When we think of colossal volcanoes, our minds often turn to Mount Everest or perhaps Mauna Kea, but the true giant of the volcanic world lies far beyond our planet. On Mars, the red planet, stands Olympus Mons, a shield volcano of unimaginable scale. 3 times the height of Mount Everest and covering an area the size of Arizona, Olympus Mons dwarfs any volcano on Earth. Its sheer size is a testament to the different geological processes that have shaped our planetary neighbor. Mars, with its weaker gravity and lack of plate tectonics, allows volcanoes to grow to monstrous proportions. Eruptions on Mars can last for millions of years, piling layer upon layer of lava, slowly building these towering behemoths. Olympus Mons, a silent giant, stands as a monument to the power of geological time and the vastness of our solar system. It's a reminder that the Earth is but one small stage in the grand cosmic play. Volcanoes are often associated with cataclysmic eruptions, but some choose a different path, a path of persistence. Mount Etna, located on the east coast of Sicily, is one of the most active volcanoes in the world and has been erupting for hundreds of thousands of years. Its eruptions, often strombolian in nature, are characterized by the ejection of incandescent lava fragments into the air. These fiery fountains, a regular occurrence on Etna, illuminate the night sky, creating a spectacle that has fascinated observers for centuries. Mount Etna's persistent activity is a result of its complex plumbing system. A steady supply of magma from deep within the Earth ensures a continuous flow of molten rock to the surface. This relentless activity has shaped the landscape, creating a dramatic contrast between the black volcanic rock and the lush vegetation. Mount Etna, a fiery beacon in the night, reminds us that volcanic activity is not always a sudden, violent event. Sometimes it's a slow, steady burn, a testament to the Earth's enduring internal heat. The silent assassins. While some volcanoes announce their presence with fiery displays, others lurk in the shadows, their silence a mask for their deadly potential. Phreatic eruptions, unlike their fiery counterparts, are driven by steam, not molten rock. These eruptions occur when groundwater comes into contact with hot rock or magma. The intense heat instantly vaporizes the water, causing a rapid buildup of pressure. This pressure, contained within the Earth, can only be released in one way: a sudden, violent explosion. Phreatic eruptions are notoriously difficult to predict, often occurring with little to no warning. The lack of molten lava means that these eruptions are often overlooked, but their destructive potential is undeniable. The sudden release of steam and rock fragments can be devastating, as seen in the 2014 eruption of Mount Everest in Japan, which claimed the lives of over 60 hikers. These silent assassins serve as a stark reminder that volcanic hazards come in many forms, and even seemingly dormant volcanoes can pose a significant threat. A volcanic launch pad. Imagine a volcano so powerful that it hurls molten rock not just into the air but into space itself. While this may sound like science fiction, it's a reality on our very own moon. Lunar volcanoes, active billions of years ago, were responsible for launching lava fragments known as volcanic bombs at incredible speeds. These bombs, some the size of cars, were ejected into space, escaping the moon's weak gravity. These ancient eruptions, preserved in the lunar landscape, paint a picture of a time when the moon was a far more active place. The lack of atmosphere on the moon meant that these volcanic bombs traveled unimpeded, creating a celestial hailstorm of molten rock. Some of these lunar projectiles even made their way to Earth, surviving their journey through space to land as meteorites. These extraterrestrial souvenirs offer a tangible link to the moon's fiery past and the awesome power of volcanic activity. The hidden realm of underwater volcanoes. Beneath the waves lies a realm of volcanic activity, shaping our planet's foundations. Underwater volcanoes erupt with molten rock, creating dramatic features. Volcanic islands like Hawaii emerge from these eruptions. In 2015, Hunga Tonga Hunga Ha'apai was born from an underwater eruption. The door to hell. In the heart of the Karakum Desert in Turkmenistan lies a fiery pit that has been burning for over 50 years. This inferno, known as the Darvaza gas crater or the door to hell, is not a natural phenomenon, but the result of human intervention. Back in 1971, Soviet geologists were drilling for natural gas when their rig collapsed, creating a massive crater. Fearing the release of poisonous gases, they decided to ignite the escaping gas, believing it would burn off in a matter of days. However, their calculations proved to be wildly inaccurate. The crater has been burning continuously ever since, a fiery testament to human miscalculation and the Earth's abundant natural resources. The Darvaza gas crater, a beacon in the desolate landscape, draws visitors from around the world, captivated by its otherworldly glow and the story of its fiery origin. It's a stark reminder of the power of nature and the unintended consequences of human actions. The town that wouldn't stop burning. Centralia, Pennsylvania was once a thriving mining town, but today it stands as a ghost town, consumed by an inferno that has been raging for over 6 decades. This subterranean fire, ignited in 1962, burns deep beneath the surface, transforming the once picturesque town into a smoldering wasteland. The fire, believed to have started in an abandoned coal mine, spread through a network of underground tunnels, feeding on the rich coal seams that lay beneath the town. Despite numerous attempts to extinguish the blaze, the fire continued to burn, releasing toxic fumes and making the town uninhabitable. By the 1980s, most of Centralia's residents had been relocated, their homes demolished, leaving behind a haunting landscape of cracked roads, steaming fissures, and warning signs of the danger that lurked below. Centralia's story, a tragic tale of environmental disaster and human resilience, served as the inspiration for the horror franchise Silent Hill, its desolate streets and ever-present smoke a chilling reminder of the destructive power of fire. Volcanoes and the wrath of the skies. Volcanoes are not just geological marvels, they are also powerful forces that can influence the very weather patterns around them. Volcanic eruptions, particularly explosive ones, can inject massive amounts of ash and gases into the atmosphere, creating a cascade of effects that can be felt thousands of miles away. The ash particles carried by winds can block sunlight, leading to temporary cooling effects. The 1815 eruption of Mount Tambora in Indonesia, for example, plunged the northern hemisphere into a volcanic winter, causing widespread crop failures and famine. But volcanic eruptions can also trigger spectacular meteorological events, such as volcanic lightning. As charged ash particles collide in the eruption plume, they generate static electricity, leading to dramatic displays of lightning that illuminate the sky. These volcanic thunderstorms, a mesmerizing spectacle of nature's fury, highlight the interconnectedness of Earth's systems, showcasing how geological events can have a profound impact on our atmosphere and weather patterns. Fire and ice. In Iceland, fire and ice clash as volcanoes buried beneath glaciers create stark contrasts. Eruptions melt ice, creating meltwater that can burst forth in catastrophic floods known as jökullaups. These floods reshape landscapes, carving valleys and depositing sediment. The 1996 Grímsvötn eruption released water equivalent to the Amazon River's flow. These events highlight the raw power of nature and the balance between fire and ice. Thank you for joining me on this journey to the heart of our planet's fiery underworld. From the blue flames of Kawah Ijen to the ice-covered volcanoes of Iceland, we've witnessed the awe-inspiring power and beauty of volcanoes. These geological marvels, both destructive and creative, continue to shape our planet, reminding us of the dynamic forces that lie beneath our feet. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing volcanic facts, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our incredible planet.